Have you ever wondered why some people wake up feeling refreshed while others get a full night's sleep and still feel exhausted? The answer isn't just how long you sleep. It may also depend on what you eat before going to bed. Most people think their body simply shuts down at night, but that's far from the truth. While you're asleep, your body is incredibly busy. It repairs tissues, strengthens your immune system, balances hormones, and restores energy for the next day. Choosing the right evening snack can help support these natural overnight processes. Let's look at 7 foods that may help your body recover while you sleep. First, almonds. A small handful of almonds provides magnesium, a mineral that helps relax muscles and supports healthy nerve function. They're also packed with protein, which can help keep blood sugar steady through the night and reduce late-night hunger. Next is plain yogurt. Yogurt contains probiotics that support a healthy gut, and since much of the immune system is connected to the digestive tract, maintaining gut health is important. Its protein also supplies amino acids your muscles can use during overnight repair. Third, bananas. Bananas contain tryptophan, an amino acid your body uses to produce serotonin and melatonin, 2 compounds involved in healthy sleep. They're also rich in potassium and magnesium, which help muscles relax after a long day. Number 4 is oatmeal. While many people think of oatmeal as a breakfast food, a small serving in the evening can be a smart choice. Its complex carbohydrates provide steady energy, while nutrients like iron and zinc support normal cell function and repair. Fifth, kiwi. Some studies suggest that eating kiwi before bed may help people fall asleep faster and improve sleep quality. It's loaded with vitamin C, antioxidants, and natural compounds that support overall health while you rest. Number 6, walnuts. Walnuts are an excellent source of healthy omega-3 fats and naturally contain small amounts of melatonin, the hormone that helps regulate your sleep-wake cycle. Just a few walnuts can make a satisfying bedtime snack. Finally, chamomile tea or warm milk. Chamomile has long been used as a calming herbal tea that may promote relaxation before bed. Warm milk contains tryptophan, making it another comforting nighttime option that many people enjoy as part of a relaxing bedtime routine. One important reminder: eating a heavy meal right before bed can interfere with sleep, so keep nighttime snacks light and give your body time to digest. Try adding 1 or 2 of these foods to your evening routine and see how you feel over the next few weeks. Small habits can make a surprisingly big difference in how well you sleep and how energized you feel the next morning.